Alright, bike vlog number 7. Topic is comparisons. And the more classes I take that have a competitive attitude, I find myself comparing myself to other people, which realistically is absolutely negative and unhealthy. In some ways, it is nice to help you. It helps you. The competition helps drive you to be better. But the only person you should compare yourself to is your old self. Because other people are different. Everyone has different experiences, different skills, different everything. And it makes no sense to compare yourself to them because your situations are different. And if you're expecting to have the same results from different situations, it doesn't make any sense. But if you compare yourself to your old self, similarly, there are different situations, but you're the same person for the most part. So the comparison drives you to be better than your past self. It drives you to be better than what you were. And if you aren't, it gives you a moment to reflect and figure out what you need to do better yourself. So, yeah, compare yourself not to others or other people or their work. You can use their work to influence yours, or use their hard work and their effort to influence yours, but you should never compare yourself to other people's work when it comes to how well you did or how well they did. It should never be used as a benchmark, but as inspiration and motivation to have you reflect on your own abilities and your own status. Yeah, that's all I got.